We haven't done a morning routine in so long. Do you want to breakfast time? Okay. Let's go get you breakfast. So while Callie eats her breakfast, I like to put my contacts in so I can see without these glasses. And then quickly before I take her out to go potty, I'm just gonna change. You go for a walk outside. Come on, turn. Baby, come on. She loves going on her little morning walk. First we have some more water and then we're gonna have coffee. So I don't have any half and half left for my coffee, but yesterday I knew this, so I purposely left a little bit of my coffee. Obviously it's like higher than it was because it melted with ice, but I had some half and half here, so we're just gonna pour this into my coffee. Oh, this feels so good. I feel like we have not done a morning routine in so long. Gotta light my Witch's Brew coffee, or oh, see, I need my coffee. We need to light my Witch's Brew candle. It was one of those like impulse purchases at TJ Maxx when you're standing in line waiting to pay and they have all these cute things. And I just love the fact that it said Witch's Brew, so I bought it. Hi, Callie. She's like, I had my breakfast, I had my walk, and now I'm going back to bedtime. So yes, I know it's not October yet, but we're watching Sam Oskrell's Oztober series on our channel, Clean and Decorate with Me. Look at this little angel. I know everyone is like obsessed with their dog, but I forgot. I should have done this after my hair, but that's okay. We are putting on Self Tanner. This is just the Loving Tan Deluxe Gradual Tanner Tan Nourishing Tinted Body Lotion. So although I just got dressed, we're gonna get undressed, ready for Tanner lotion. Also, you see there's two mirrors there. I'm so excited. I saw that bottom one in TJ Maxx yesterday, and I don't know if you can tell from here, it's a little bit lighter and a little more like unique. I don't know. So we're gonna be replacing it, and then that one over there is gonna go into my bedroom. I'm really excited. Also, if you don't have a towel robe, get a towel robe. They're the best things you get out of the shower, and you just put a huge robe of towel on you. It's, oh, whoops. And this is where I do my tanner. And I'm tan. So I changed into this outfit just so I could let the tanner dry. I don't want to just stand here naked, but I also don't want to put on my normal clothes. So like I said, this is a lotion, so it's not as big of a deal because it's not like it's my normal tanner, but it still definitely can have a little bit of a residue. So I'm just gonna wear this for a little bit while we sit on the couch. Coming back for y'all. So we're gonna sit here on the couch and edit this video right here. It's, I don't even know how many hacks I did yet, but some amount of home hacks. Okay, so I have my rough video cut of all of the footage, and now we are going to make a list of all of the video shots that we have to get today. And then once I have a list of all the footage we have to get, we're gonna have some breakfast and go do my makeup. I don't know what we'll do first. We'll figure it out. Okay, I got my list of shots, and now we're gonna go do makeup. Right, baby? Gotta bring my Witch Brew and my coffee. Callie, you wanna do my makeup with me? I think we're gonna change first. Okay. Also, isn't this the cutest little mason jar coffee mug? I got it from the Dollar Tree. So now we are going to go make breakfast because I'm very hungry. Such a lazy dog. With all my fall decor, and especially this blanket, which is from TJ Maxx if you're curious, and then my candle that's burning, it just feels so cozy in my bedroom. I feel like I don't really like, oh, that lighting is weird. I feel like I don't really hang out in here much if I'm not sleeping or doing my makeup. So lately, since I decorated for fall, I've been liking to eat my breakfast in here. It's just switching it up, and I don't know, it just feels so cozy. Watch my YouTube video, because y'all know, as I've said before, if you can, I highly recommend you do not work through eating. You relax, read a book, watch a TV show, a YouTube video, something like that while you eat. Hi. Also, if you are new here, I did not show myself making this breakfast, because if you're not new here, you know I've made it 1,000,010 times, and I've shown myself making it 1,000,010 times, so I didn't want to just keep filming the same thing. But I will have a video linked in the description. Actually, last year's fall morning routine, I take you step by step how I make the whole breakfast. This is so good. I highly recommend, if you haven't had it, you try it out. So after I ate my breakfast, I was sitting on my bed doing a little bit more editing before we film, but now we're ready to film. We're gonna change first though, because I don't really want to wear this. I know this sounds weird, but I think we're gonna wear jeans. I just don't really wear jeans anymore ever, because I never have a reason to. So when I film, it's kind of like a fun reason to. I'm very grateful that my condo has people come mow the lawn. They always do it at the most inconvenient time. Like, I feel like I'm always filming, or if I'm working that day, they literally are doing it right when I'm in a meeting, and my desk is obviously right next to the window. So outfit of the day. I kind of want to put a couple curls in my hair. I don't know, I'm really not liking it straight right now, so I think we're gonna curl it. But quick outfit of the day, I have my jeans. These are Levi jeans. I got them off Amazon. I love these little like t-shirts they have from TJ Maxx. They're literally like $5 to $6 each, and they're always so soft. Like, this is so comfy. I can't wait to hang that up. Not gonna do it today though. We'll do that next week when we come home, but I think this one is gonna look so much nicer there. That one's gonna go over my dresser. This one is obviously really pretty, but it's all kind of, I don't know, it's just a little bit darker, but this one has more of like a wood in the middle and then a lighter wood, and it was only $40. I love TJ Maxx. All right, I know that was such like a sporadic decision I made, but I wanted to curl my hair, so we added some curls to it, and now we're gonna go start filming. So I broke my list up into the kitchen, bedroom, living room, and office. We have shots to take in all of those rooms. Lighting feels weird, it's like sun. Anyways, we are going to start off in the kitchen. So I'm getting my like tripod. Oh, this is a bad idea probably. Nope, I got it. We're gonna start in the kitchen. I have to get a pot for this next tip, and I didn't realize how like not neat this is. So we're doing a mini little organization project in this morning routine. I told Tim that this huge pot doesn't go in here. That is much better. Just fix this. And then I highly recommend, if you have a really small kitchen, use your oven as storage. Don't mind how dirty my oven is. I'm gonna be cleaning that soon. Oh, and then that way, it's all down there. And then when I do have to use my oven, I just take them and put them on top, but this way they're out of sight. I don't have to worry about it unless I'm using the oven. Pot store, as we just saw, doesn't become a disaster. Probably like, Kat, what are you doing? I am filming the thumbnail for the video that was posted last week, so go check it out if you want to see it. I'm just running out to Walmart really quick, so I'm wearing the same outfit, and I just threw on these little Steve Madden shoes. Aren't these so cute? They're from TJ Maxx, and my sunglasses are from Target.